Good morning students. In the last video we have discussed about the basic concepts of geometry such as coordinates, betweenness. In this video we are going to discuss about practice set 1.1. Now move to the first question. The question is find the distance between the given points by using this number line. So look at first question, distance between point B and E. So to find the distance between point B and E, we have to first find out the coordinates of point B and E, and out of that find out the bigger coordinate and smaller coordinate. Okay, so you can see the coordinate of point E is 5 and point B is 2. So to find distance between BE, take the bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So 5 minus 2, so equals to 3. So the distance between point B and E is 3 unit or 3 centimeter. Okay, now second one is distance between point J and point A. What is the coordinate of point J? Minus 3. Coordinate of point A? 1. So we know that 1 is greater than minus 3. So 1 is the bigger coordinate and minus 3 is the smaller coordinate. So subtract smaller coordinate from bigger coordinate. So we get 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So distance between point J and point A is 4 unit or 4 centimeter. Okay, now third question is distance between point P and C. So to find the distance between point P and C, first look at the coordinate of point P and point C. So the coordinate of point P is minus 5 and coordinate of point C is 3. So easily we can say 3 is greater than minus 5. So subtract minus 5 from 3. So we get 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So 8 unit or 8 centimeter. So by this method we can find out the distance between any two points. Okay. So question number 2 of this practice set is just like question number 1. So you can easily solve question number 2. So move to question number 3. Find which point is between the two other points. Okay. So by the formula we can find out which point is between other two points. Okay. So take the bigger distance. Which is the bigger distance? Distance PQ equals to 10. Equation number 1. Now take other two remaining distances. Distance PR plus distance QR equals to 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore, distance PQ equal to distance PR plus distance QR. So which is the common point between these two? You can see R is common. So that's why R is between point P and Q. So we can write like this: R is between point P and Q. Now second one is take the bigger distance. Bigger one is RS. Equation number 1. Then add the remaining two distances. Distance ST plus distance RT equals to ST is 6, RT is 4, so equal to 10. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, the distances are not equal. Therefore, write down like this: distance RS is not equal to distance ST plus distance RT. It means that these 3 points, it means R, S, T are not collinear. If the distances are not equal, then the points are not collinear. Okay. So like this you can easily solve practice remaining questions of practice set 1.1. In the next video we can see the next point. Okay. Thank you.